Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to RAM Overload. Today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can easily export your Google Photos to any external drive or anywhere else. Alright, so it's pretty easy. Google has it built in, so there's no extra things you need to download or anything like that. So you can see my Google Photos. I have just one video over here, right? So yeah, it'll probably take a little while to load, but yeah, it's just one image here, and I want to back it up. Ideally, you would have like a bunch more images and something that you can't just download easily. So what you want to do is go to Google Takeout. So the website is takeout.google.com, right? And over here you can select all your Google services. You do have to be logged into your same Google account. And yeah, you will select all your Google services that you want to export. So in this video, since we're just doing Google Photos, what we're going to do is deselect all and go down to find Google Photos. I don't know if I skipped it. I may have skipped it. Or you just search right there. So Google Photos. So I'll press check. Multiple formats, so just press check for that. So this way it will download whatever format the files originally were, and then all photos and albums. So we are in 2026, but they only have the option of photos from 2025. You just want to select that. It will download the images that were uploaded in 2026 as well, so you don't have to worry about that. So we got that. We selected one thing. We want to go next steps, and now we want to choose how we want the file. Okay, so do we want it as a link via email? Do we want to save it as a drop in our drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, Box, whatever? All right, so if you have a lot of images and you don't have space on your Google Drive, you would want to do send download link via email. Okay, so then from there you can just download it to whatever external hard drive. All right, so I'll do add to drive since this is pretty small and my drive is empty. So I'll do export once. You can do like on a timeline, but I'll just do it once. File type, let's just keep it zip. File size 2 gig is fine, even though my file won't be more than 2 gigs. So what this is if you have, let's say, 10 gigs of images, it will make you 5 files, 2 gigs each. Okay, so that's basically what this means. Or you can do one file that's 10 gigs, which is you don't want to do that because it could start issues with downloading and opening and things like that. So the smaller the better, right? They recommend 2 gigs, so that's perfectly fine. So I'll do create export. So it just verifies your account. All right, so this is this is a previous one I did, but this is exporting in progress. Since I only have pretty much one video, it shouldn't take that long. It'll still take like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. But if you have a lot of data, it could take possibly hours or even days. Okay, oh, that was pretty quick. So you can see it's completed and it should be in my drive. So let's just do here, go to drive. So this image right here, you can see you take out this zip file, and in here you have the 2 files. So in here you can see I already had a takeout file from before and it just added it into this. So the 5 o'clock one was the previous one, and now the 610 is the one I just did right now. So you can see there's 2 zip files. Let's open the first one. The first one is just a HTML file, so you can ignore that. The second file is basically what has the data. So let's open it. Photos, MP4. Can I open it here? No. So let's download that. Oops. Let's download it. Scanning for viruses, and once it downloads we can open it and I'll just confirm that it is working. So we have this MP4 file, which is basically this. Let's open it up and see. Yep, that's pretty much the image or the video. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So now you have the zip file. You can upload it to any folder or any external drive, basically anywhere you want. So yeah, that's how you do it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. And yeah, you just if you have any questions on that, just let me know down below. If you need any more help or anything, I'd love to help you guys out. If you like this video and it helped, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.